recent years, Hong Kong has vigorously implemented waste reduction measures such as the full-scale plastic-free scheme, supporting China's progress toward its dual carbon goals. But what does the dual carbon refer to? The term dual carbon is shorthand for carbon peaking and carbon neutrality. In September 2020, China announced at the General Assembly of the United Nations that it would achieve carbon peaking by 2030 and achieve carbon neutrality by 2060. Carbon peaking refers to the process whereby carbon emissions reach a maximum level plateau and then gradually decline. Carbon neutrality means that within a specific time frame, the total amount of anthropogenic carbon dioxide released is balanced out by carbon removal through green initiatives, thus achieving net zero emissions. To simplify, achieving these dual goals involves two key steps: reducing greenhouse gas emissions and boosting greenhouse gas absorption. In September 2021, China's State Council released the Action Plan for Carbon Dioxide Peaking before 2030, outlining 10 key actions to integrate carbon peaking targets into all facets of socio-economic development. The primary task is to accelerate the energy transition to green and low carbon. In February 2024, non-fossil energy sources accounted for 54.6% of China's total installed electricity generation capacity, surpassing fossil fuels for 2 consecutive years. At the same time, the green and low-carbon transition of transportation is ongoing. China has been the world's top producer and seller of new energy vehicles for 9 years. A range of green, low-carbon production and living practices are now being gradually implemented. Apart from carbon reduction, carbon sequestration is equally important. To increase the absorption of greenhouse gases, forests are the most powerful helpers. Over the past 2 decades, China has been committed to land greening with its forest stock volume reaching 19.4 billion cubic meters. China has become the fastest growing country in the world in terms of forest resources. These efforts have laid a solid foundation for achieving carbon neutrality before 2060.